Hello guys again. So as we seen before, we brought an image from the internet and we placed it in the same folder. But what are the possible situations that we can face when we are developing a website? So I'm going to describe this in the whiteboard as I mentioned before. So when it comes here, we have many possible situations. So the first one is, number one is, what we have in this folder. So let me consider that this is my folder, C. Inside this folder, I have a folder within C drive, D, whatever, and I might have other folders. So this folder is my folder, which is Udemy. Okay, so the first case, I might find images in the same folder with the HTML file. So let us call this approach is number one, or this example as number one. I want to change the color to differentiate between them. If I have some images, but those images are inside another folder, so when it goes to Udemy, I have here the HTML file. However, I have another folder called, let me call it pics. Inside this folder, I will find the image or the images. So this number two, the second situation. The third situation, I don't want to use this one. It's a bit close, so leave this one. So situation number three, if I have a specific folder images, and this folder contains the picture, for example, .jpg. And this is my third situation, and I want to use this exact path. So this case number three. The fourth case, sorry, I will put another case number four, but it's very important. If I want to read a specific image from the internet, for example, I want to go to Google and import the image from Google. So the source would be http www and whatever. So this situation is number four. We're going to implement all of these four situations because all of these are very important. A very important note here is situation number three would be somehow difficult and strongly not recommended. We will see this after this video. So please focus on 1, 2 for the local images, and of course number 4. What is the benefit of using number 1 and number 2? Number 1 and number 2, if you want to use images within your website, these images would be saved next or within the folder of the web pages. In this case, you're making sure that all of your images are safe, no one going to delete it, and you can use it whenever you want, you can change it whenever you want. However, as we said, number 3 is not preferred. Number 4, sometimes you might need to bring image from the internet. So what is the reason to use this approach? In using this approach, whenever, for example, Google updated their image, the image in your website is going to be updated automatically. So now I guess the difference is clear between them. And again, please never ever use the approach number 3.